Hi, my name is Murthy, a product manager at SAP Business ByDesign. So today we're going to look at carry forward a Freight and Surcharge into a follow-up credit memos from sales and invoice document functionality which we have introduced in 2002 release. The business use case is how often you have seen a sales representative applying surcharges and freights in the sales and invoicing process, and during the return process a sales representative would create a follow-up credit memo. And for sure you would like to see those freight and surcharges that are there in the invoice to be carried forwarded to the follow-up credit memo documents. So without a further delay, let's take a look at in the system how it works. Log into SAP Business ByDesign, go to customer invoicing and invoicing requests. Work center view, click on new manual invoice and enter the relevant account and the product for which the invoice request is being created, and then click on view all, which takes you to the object instance flow plan of the manual invoice. Go to pricing tab and make sure you click on the add row in the total pricing, select a freight and enter the freight value as 20 USD, 25 USD, any user defined value. Select the surcharge and then enter the surcharge, which has 10 USD in this case, and then click on release, which creates a customer invoice and releases the customer invoice documents as well. Navigate to customer invoicing and customer invoicing work center. Search for the invoice and go to the object instance flow plan in the pricing tab. Here you would see that the freight and surcharges are there in the invoice. And now create a follow-up manual credit memo. User is returning the product, and when you create a follow-up credit memo for a given invoice, the relevant freight and surcharges from the invoice has to be carried forwarded to the credit memo and release the credit memo. And as you would see that the credit memo is created and released as well, and the freight and surcharges values from the source document, like in this case a customer invoice, is carry forwarded to the credit memo as well, as requested and desired by the partners and customers. Yeah. And now what you do is you can even maintain the master data for freights. For that you navigate to product and service portfolio, freights, and create a new freight. And with the 2002 release you would see that the freight can be created for a document type called credit memo. Enter the relevant value, in this case any desired a freight value, which would end up creating a credit memo. Freight master data, in this case 10 USD for a credit memo. When I create a new credit memo document, this 10 USD would be picked as the freight for a given document like credit memo. So enter the relevant account and a product and navigate to view all, which is object in flow plan, and to the pricing tab you would see that the freight got determined from the given master data that we just created. Yeah, so as you could see, the freight of 10 USD is determined from the freight master data that we created for a given credit memo document type. Yeah, and now let's do the same for the surcharges. To enable surcharge master data creation for a credit memo, you have to do a customization, that is using configure price strategy. Navigate to business configuration, configure price strategy and access sequence, and here you have to reuse the existing tables, that is click on add row, and for a demo purpose we have created here, and add the price tables like with the process type and Incoterms process type and the sales org details. So once you have the access sequence created, make sure you navigate to pricing group assignments and the pricing group surcharges. Click on add row, enter the user defined description of the surcharge master data and make sure it is 7PR3 for non-person, 7PR2 for percentage based. Select the price table and click on save and close. Navigate to Product and Service Portfolio Work Center to maintain the surcharge master data for credit memos. Now here you should be able to see a new custom surcharge type that we just created, and click a new surcharge, and the document type credit memo should also come up here. With this you can save and close the surcharge master data, and new surcharge should be available. With the new feature of 2002, we enabled the carry forward of freight and surcharges from the source document like sales and invoice to the follow-up credit memos. You can even maintain the freight and surcharge master data